If you need to flip your data, so rows become columns and columns become rows, Google Sheets has you covered with two handy methods. Here we have a sales dataset, and we'll start with the quick copy and paste approach. First, select the entire range you want to transpose, from the headers down to the last row. Copy the selected data with Ctrl or Command-C, then right-click on the cell where you want the flip data to start. Hover over Paste Special in the menu, and you'll see the Transposed option. Click Transposed, and Sheets pastes the data with rows and columns swapped. This method is perfect for a one-time flip. But if your source data changes often, you'll want the second approach. If you're finding this helpful, give the video a like. It really supports the channel. The transpose formula creates a live link, so any updates to the original data automatically appear in the flipped version. Click on a cell where you want the transpose table to begin, then type an equal sign and the word transpose. As you type, Sheets suggests the function, so you can select it from the drop-down. Now select the original data range to use as the argument for the formula. Press Enter, and the transposed data fills in, staying synced with the source. So, whether you need a quick static flip or a dynamic link, these two methods cover both situations. Thanks for watching, and if you want more Google Sheets tips, don't forget to subscribe.